Yo, good day everyone. It's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to this YouTube video. Okay. Basically today in this video we're gonna be talking about how we actually what make money in forex trading. Overall, there are many steps and many processes required, but I believe the number one and the major one you should focus on is actually what joining a community of like-minded what persons. And as you can see from here, this was currently just today, 10th of January, and I dropped analysis on the XY and also on Euro USD, showing them what I'm looking out for and what I think the market is gonna do. You understand? Overall, most people are still learning, most people are still professional, but everybody is actually here what seeing the trades, seeing how everything is what moving currently. Okay, so I'll also go to the chart to show you guys how, like, I come up with a trade idea or anything. You understand? Blending in everything together, explaining how we actually what make money from forex trading. So without not wasting much of your time, let's actually move into the video. So this is currently Euro USD on the daily time frame. After all other analysis and other stuff has been visualized and actually what you know like you have seen and you have actually done your analysis and everything. So now let's move to the 1 hour time frame. So overall here USD has been pushing higher, right? So overall this year we are currently these sales we are actually trying to take is just a retracement. It's not like the trend is reversing or anything, you understand? So this is just a retracement that we're actually trying to catch. And this London session. So on London session, what do you expect after you've seen the Asian session range? I want to zoom this chart. Yeah, so after you have seen the Asian session like range, so you actually expect price to what take out the highs, which has been done. And our stop loss is currently what 17 pips to get what 59 pips or 60 pips or 50 pips. Overall is your choice. Okay. So as you can see here, the market is actually what trying to also push up currently. This is the 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see, this after the market actually what consolidated, broke lower, consolidated, and trying to break higher. But overall, once price takes out this height, we are out. That is, this trade setup is invalid. But actually, if price actually what comes down here, which I see it doing, because it's gonna retrace, right? So once price actually retraces, and that is it, we are currently 10 pips in profit for now. So not really to blend much or expect much, but if you look from the monthly and weekly, you see that price has been seriously what bullish, right? So the bullishness is, so in trading, retracements are also expected. You don't really just expect price to what keep going higher and higher, but it depends on when you choose to see them or catch them. It also takes knowledge. So if you want to make money from forex trading, you also understand that you need knowledge, right? And which is what we actually do in Sundas FX. So in if you can actually join our Sundas FX Telegram group, you see that sometimes I do teach there, and and give other stuffs also. So you can see as price actually put back to retrace here. Let me remove this. Okay, delete. So you see as price retrace back here, then also dropping now. As like everything is just, it's not like it's clear, but when you have knowledge, you know what you're looking out for. I don't really want to explain or talk about much here, right? So if you're watching this video up to now, please do well to like, subscribe, and share. So for now, join a community, get knowledge, practice, backtest, right? Learn more. The more you practice, the more you backtest, the more you actually become conversant with the charts or anything, you know, the more you see things clear. And currently it's 16 pips in what profit out of what 59 pips or 60 pips target. So the day is just starting. This is just London and it's still early. Let's see what today actually what brings. But overall, your TP1 should be at this low. Once price takes out these lows, you should be taking your first profit right here. Just once price takes out here, and here should be around 20 or 20 something pips, you take your profit. Then you can break even stop loss and allow the trade to run. So making the trade what a risk-free trade, you understand? So taking first profit at 1.07200, you understand? So that is just it anyway. You don't just leave everything like that. So it's good to what secure your what profit. But currently, as you can see, the market is what consolidating. Currently, it's consolidating. It's not really going straight to where you actually expect it to move. Well, from everything, because this is my first trade of the year also, so I've been waiting for that. I actually anticipated the buys. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I actually anticipated the buys, but I did not take the buys because it was on Friday after NFP. So we saw a rally. After NFP on Friday, we saw a what? A rally of about 120 something pips after NFP on Friday, and I didn't partake in that buy. So that is basically that. So now that is why I'm taking the word sell. That is the retracement. So this was the buys from here. I actually called it on Telegram also, from here to this retracement. So also you expecting price to break out this low at TP1 is ideal, because once price takes it out, you expect a retracement also, because remember, your selling does not mean you expect price to just keep going that way. So once price actually what break this low currently, you expect a retracement higher, but it will not take out these highs now. That is where you have your break, at least here. Then you now see it also what continue. So that is just the simple market structure idea you should have in mind, that if you be in a trade, seeing a loss or anything is so most people that will be entering here, this might happen during New York or so, I don't know, I can't tell. But all I know is this is a framework I'm looking out for. Without this high is being taken out, once this low is taken out currently, this low in particular, I don't want to see price takes out this high, so I'll bring my stop loss to what break even. You understand? So, and that is where price is literally what moving to currently. If you go to the lower time frame, you will see stuffs very very clear, I believe. So that is that for now. Nothing magical here. It's just when you have knowledge and you're good to go. You understand? So price going to TP1 currently, as you can see. Some people might have even start taking their profits, right? So I'll actually capture this now and share on Telegram and tell them to what? TP1, take profit 1. So I'll copy the image, I'll just highlight my Telegram here. So I've opened Telegram. I can post it on the channel here. I'll tell them take profit 1. You understand? So that is just how it works. Okay, I'll just say TP1, TP, okay, in capital letter please, TP1. Okay, I can actually decide to use an emoji so that everybody will be happy. You understand? We have to be happy. Yes, this one is good. Send TP1. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this YouTube video.